tan ni yang ase ni na go na se ni ni na go na se na ni na go na se ni ha ni yang ni na go na se ni ni na go na se na ni na go na se ni ha ni yang yang ni la na go na se ni ni na go na se Can lift the spirit up, and all these natural elements, like I say, the wind, the death devils, they'll walk among us, and they'll help our ancestors fight the war. If it's a victory dance or a hunting, we gotta perform all these ceremonies through prayers. They'll help us get food, and everybody would have these mark on their face, and this mark represents, to keep the bad spirit away, and to keep them sharp of what's going on near and far. And you're more than welcome, to dance with us. If you want to feel free to dance.
Thanks.